How did the Renaissance affect art and science? 1. Revival of classical learning. The Renaissance revived interest in classical art and science from ancient Greece and Rome. This revival led to a resurgence in studying classical texts, which influenced Renaissance artists and scientists to adopt and expand upon classical techniques and knowledge. 2. Development of perspective in art. The Renaissance introduced linear perspective, revolutionizing art by creating a sense of depth and three-dimensionality on flat surfaces. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Masaccio perfected this technique, changing how space and proportion were depicted in art. 3. Advances in anatomical studies. The study of human anatomy was significantly advanced during the Renaissance. Figures like Andreas Vesalius conducted detailed dissections and produced accurate anatomical drawings, enhancing the understanding of the human body and influencing both medical science and art. 4. Innovation in artistic techniques. Artists during the Renaissance experimented with new techniques such as chiaroscuro, the use of strong contrasts between light and dark, and sfumato, the technique of blending colors and tones. These innovations contributed to the realism and emotional depth in Renaissance art. 5. Scientific method and inquiry. The Renaissance marked the beginning of the scientific method, emphasizing observation, experimentation, and evidence. Figures like Galileo Galilei and Nicolaus Copernicus challenged existing scientific paradigms, laying the groundwork for modern scientific inquiry and empirical research. 6. Integration of art and science. Renaissance artists and scientists often collaborated, integrating art with scientific exploration. Leonardo da Vinci, for example, applied his artistic skills to study and document natural phenomena, merging artistic observation with scientific investigation. 7. Promotion of humanism. Humanism, a key intellectual movement of the Renaissance, emphasized the value and potential of human achievements. This philosophical shift led to a focus on individual experience and observation, influencing both artistic expression and scientific exploration. 8. Expansion of artistic patronage. The Renaissance saw the rise of patronage systems, where wealthy individuals and institutions funded artists and scientists. This support allowed for greater experimentation and the production of groundbreaking works in both art and science. 9. Impact on scientific tools and instruments. The period saw the development of new scientific tools and instruments, such as the microscope and improved astronomical devices. These innovations facilitated more precise observations and experiments, advancing scientific knowledge and discovery. 10. Influence on education and institutions. The Renaissance inspired the establishment of educational institutions and academies focused on art and science. These institutions promoted the study of classical knowledge and new discoveries, shaping the education systems that support modern art and science. In summary, the Renaissance profoundly affected art and science by reviving classical learning, developing new artistic techniques, and advancing anatomical studies. It introduced the scientific method, integrated art with scientific inquiry, and promoted humanism. The period's support for artistic and scientific exploration led to significant innovations and the establishment of educational institutions that continue to influence both fields.